Delve into a world of dystopian inspiration. Unleash your creativity with 10 dark and twisted writing prompts. Imagine a world where memories are currency and a memory thief uncovers a game-changing secret. Picture star-crossed lovers defying a system that forbids emotions. Envision a champion questioning the brutal games of a post-apocalyptic arena. What if a hacker found a hidden AI that could reshape reality? What if dreams were manipulated and one dreamer uncovered a conspiracy threatening free will? Consider a lightbearer in a dark city holding the key to hope. Ponder a genetically modified soldier seeking redemption in a war-torn world. Imagine a rebel leader rising from slums to elite, igniting a revolution. Visualize a lone explorer seeking truth in a world crumbling from climate catastrophe. 10 dark dystopian prompts to spark your imagination, which will inspire your next masterpiece. Keep writing, and may the darkness fuel your creativity. Until next time.